Tuesday with me. Hey guys, welcome to a day in my life as a multimedia student and a businesswoman. I have a whole day class today. First is 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and second is 10:30 a.m. to 12 noon. After my class, since gibuyan me too early, I directly go to shop. Putting these artificial leaves pangsangga ng araw. Ang init kasi dito pag tanghali, kaya sobrang kailangan ko siya at ang gaan niya rin sa mata. My customer knows kung bukas ako pag nakadisplay na yung mga mannequin sa labas. Nilalabas ko yung cart para lumuwag unti yung small shop natin. And lahat po ng laman sa cart ay naka-sale items. Palit na! Wow! How much ang everything? 2, 4, 6. We have 2 new arrivals, and actually not just 2 but a lot, and we have to open this right now. Hi, so I am your multimedia student and a businesswoman at the same time. Arrange gamay, kalat daghan. Well, it's a blessing. Thank you for provision and everything, Lord. I love you so much. Vacuum time. Guys, order kayo dito sa TikTok shop ko. 3 years na to sa akin. Buti pa kami nagtagal. Magwalis para sure nga mawala na siya sa imo. Ha? 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. online class. After online class, back to school kasi may face-to-face classes ulit. And then, yeah. Sakto pagdating ko, umulan. Buti di ako naabutan. Last class today, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Pero maaga kaming nag-cut. Buti na lang. After my class, diretso ako sa dentist ko. Nagpa-adjust ng braces. Gosh, guys, ang hirap pumili kung anong rubber ang pipiliin. So, ayun. After ko magpa-adjust, bumili ako ng kaunting groceries. Tapos nag-crave ako ng prutas at di mawawala yung pandesal. So pumunta din ako ng palengke since sobrang nag-crave ako ng kinilaw. Sarap niyan, guys! Na ako there sa Triple CJ. Magpalit ko self-care with my beautiful ate. Naka-discount pa ko. Thank you! Bili tayo ng timba. Ang dami kong labahin, guys. Sobra. Kana. Welcome to my shop. After all my errands, I'm back to shop. Thank you for watching my vlog. See you next time.